I want to know more about how Etex has succeeded in organizing its material supply and in getting its products to the customers all across the globe on time. To answer this, I'm on my way now to one of the Etex plants in Belgium to meet with Isabelle Belsour, Global Head of Supply Chain. Wow, what an impressive warehouse. Isabelle, I have heard that supply chain has been under a lot of pressure since the last year. Is that correct?
That's correct. That's the least you can say. 2021 has been a very difficult year for supply chain globally in many ways, not just for our sector or for Etex. Booming demand after COVID-related restrictions were lifted has led to supply shortages and cost increases. On top of that, there has been other events that have contributed to make the situation even more complex, such as the Suez Canal, port congestions, shortages of drivers, warehouses, and increases in freight cost.
And how did you tackle those very difficult challenges?
A strong collaboration has been established with our colleagues from purchasing, our manufacturing sites, all supported as well by IT systems so the information can flow. We have a new scheduling system called DDMRP. We've also had to enhance our sales and operations planning process, which has been instrumental. So together, the teams have prioritized deliveries and resources in order to keep our factories running and ship to our customers.
And tell me, what are you most proud of?
People. Teammates have joined forces together to find solutions to the topics I've just mentioned, the shortages, the container crisis, and so on. And really, we have seen all this teamwork paying off. And we've all been operating as one Etex to protect our customers. We still need to be vigilant. Supply prices are still rising. And also, volatility has become the new norm. Therefore, there's no room for complacency in supply chain.
Isabelle, thank you so much for your time.